When it comes to hospital safety and hygiene, even the smallest detail can make a big difference, like what's on the end of your faucet. Non-aerating laminar flow devices are a simple upgrade that offer a number of benefits, especially when compared to leaving your faucet spout open and unguarded. First, laminar flow devices act as a barrier, protecting your faucet from drain flies and other contaminants that can travel backward into the spout. Second, laminar flow devices reduce splashing. Less splash means less chance for pathogens to spread through droplets. This is especially important in critical care areas. Third, laminar flow devices help disinfectant-treated water maintain contact with the interior walls of the spout. This minimizes the amount of calcium buildup and allows disinfectants time to work effectively. And finally, laminar flow devices help deliver the right flow for the job. The correct flow means less pooling, minimized splashing, no aerosolizing bacteria, just clean, precise control. Neopearl's laminar flow devices may be small, but they make a big difference by helping reduce the spread of germs and supporting hygienic conditions in critical areas. Simple, effective, smart. Upgrade your faucets. Protect your patients. Control the flow with Neopearl laminar flow devices. The right fixtures make all the difference. Upgrade your hygiene today. Visit fixturecare.com to learn more.